how to create an Instagram account. It's really simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this entire video. You want to first go ahead and download Instagram, of course, and then open up that app. I'm going to be brought into this home page, the login page, and basically if you don't have an account, you want to click on sign up. At the very bottom it says don't have an account, sign up. Now it's going to say welcome to Instagram How To Guru, which is your username. And then you can also add a phone or email, but for this I'm just going to click on complete sign up. So now you can get Facebook suggestions where you can continue, but normally I just skip this part. Once you clicked on next, you're going to be brought up to account privacy. You can choose to make your account public, meaning that everyone that searches for a username can see your account and all the posts that you make. However, if it is a private account, that means only people who have requested to follow you can see your posts. For this option, I'm going to go ahead and choose on private. I'm going to click on next. I think you can add a profile photo for your Instagram account, but I'm going to click on skip. Now you'll be brought up to this page where you can get a list of the most followed Instagram accounts and the popular Instagram accounts. We're going to see most of these are celebrities or really big brands such as National Geographic. So you can go ahead and follow some of these if you'd like. However, if you don't want to follow any of these guys, you can just simply click on the arrow on the top right hand corner. You can also choose the interest for your Instagram account. So I'm going to choose a couple of them. Or if you don't want to choose any at all, you can just go ahead and unselect them and then click on next. And now you have completely set up your Instagram account, or if you go over to your home page, and then from here you can click on edit profile, not now, and you can also add a name for your Instagram. So there's a difference between your name as well as your username, and then you can essentially just go around and play with Instagram from here, follow some people that you like, and then hopefully enjoy Instagram.